Hello everyone. Do you know about Excel? I know Excel is a very important thing in these days for students, customers, even business. So, today we are going to talk about a function in Excel. And we have done so many functions in Excel, right? We have done some function, we have done charts in Excel, and now we will do many more. So today we will do the product function. Product function multiplies the numbers given in a range. So let's start. First of all, we have a number which is 2 into 3. So how to take out the answer 2 into 3? So first we will write, we will take the cell and we will answer. First, before writing any function, we have to learn the format of writing it. So the format is, first write the is equal to sign. Now write the function's name. Now you have to write it. Yeah. What is happening? Yeah. Now you have to add a bracket or a parenthesis. Now you have to write the cell's name. So how to identify the cell's name? You can identify as it is in, like, if I have to identify the name of the cell in which 2 is there, I can do it easily because it is an arrow and like a column and one row, a column and one row. That's why it is in A1. So simple, isn't it? Can you do it now yourself? Let's do it with me so that you can understand it much clearly. Now, so I will ask the question that tell me the sales name, you can tell me. Now, here we have to write the cell's name like this. So we are doing it like easy way. We are doing like this and this. Close it and press enter. The answer is 6. Now we have done the small numbers. But if we have to do the big numbers, how can we? We will write big numbers and let's try it all throughout. 9, 5, 2. 5 and 2. We have to multiply these numbers. We will do the same format as follows. Is equal to sign, product. We can say if you're writing any, if you're doing any function, you need is equal to sign, the function's name, parenthesis, and the cell's name. You should know about it. Now the function name is product, so we will write a product. We will add a bracket now, and then like in the simple way, if you want that I write it, I can write it and then tell you, like if you from here it is starting, so you have to click this and then drag it down, drag it and then close it, and then that's okay. Now if you want to write it, I will tell you how you can write it also. If you're not able to drag it or something, yeah, let me tell you. Product, this. Now how to identify D column and 4 row. So we can identify 8. So 5 is in which cell? D5, right? Sorry, not D4, right? D4, it is in D4. But if you have to in which cell line is there, it is in D3. In which it is in D3. Okay, now yeah, so you can write it easily, bracket and write the cell's name, which says it is starting from D3. So we will write first D3, D3, oh sorry, D3. Then what we have to do, remember, you to write this, then you to write D5. Why D5? Because why? Because from here till here, because we can't add 3 cells name, it will not work. So we have to write 83 and 85. See, it covers the all part from D3 to 85. Then close it and write enter. So like this, you can do the product function, and as I tell you, I think it will be very easy for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.